is Mehwish from the US.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Sheikh, is there any concept of, like in the people, there's a concept that everybody needs an outlet and somebody to talk to. But Islam says that this is complaining or venting, which is considered to be backbiting. So are we Muslims supposed to internalize things? Or is this true, like a true concept that everybody needs an outlet and someone to talk to in Islam? Jazakallah khair.
Wa jazakum. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said that backbiting is mentioning your brother with something he hates people to know about. So when we vent, this is mentioning a colleague, a mother-in-law, a spouse, a neighbor, with something he doesn't like people to know about. Oh, he did this to me and he said that to me. And people say, A'udhu billah, how evil could a person be or get? So this is backbiting. Yes, when I vent, I feel good, but I cannot feel good on the expenses of others. So to feel good, I can't harm people. I can't violate their rights. There is a difference between venting and seeking advice. Someone comes to me and he says, my neighbor did this and that, and he's done so many bad things to me. I don't know what to do. Help me. So I can advise him. Someone comes to me and says, your brother took my money and he's not willing to pay me back. My brother hates people to know this. But because I am his elder brother and I have leverage over him, he came to complain so that I can restore his rights. This is permissible. A woman seeking advice how to deal with her husband or her mother-in-law, this is fine. It's not venting, it's looking for a proper way out of this problem. Or a person who was wronged and transgressed upon. Allah says, لا يحب الله الجهر بالسوء من القول إلا من ظلم. Allah doesn't like when people are vocal with bad words except those who were wronged. So yes, you can complain about the transgressor, someone who wronged you. You can expose him, you can tell people about it, and that would not be venting, and it won't be backbiting as well. And I hope this answers your question.